Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of testes for histology slide and practical. There are four identification points of testes. Number one, tunica albuginea and tunica vasculosa is present. Number two, seminiferous tubules with spermatozoa is present. Number three, groups of Leydig cells is present in the intertubular connective tissue. Number four, seminiferous tubules lined by spermatogenous cells and Sertoli cells. These four are the identification points of testes for histology slide and practical. I already upload the slide detailed explanation videos of testes on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, slide detailed explanation videos and each slide identification points for histology slide and practical. If you like my videos, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button. And also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.